Hello everyone and welcome to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around this stunning Volkswagen Beetle Cabriolet. It's the 60s edition, so it's got black and red leather interior and some nice extras on it such as cruise control and navigation. This one's also got the 18-inch twister alloy wheels on it, finished in gloss black. It's a really nice looking car, as you can see. Spring has sprung, and it's the perfect weather for a car like this. This car will also get a Volkswagen approved use warranty, which is 2 years. It's finished in pure white and it's got the black roof. It's a really nice car, and obviously you'll get a lot of peace of mind. We'll do a full 142 point check on the car, checking everything from seat belts to engine to fluids to tyre depth. Everything will be checked. If you do notice any wear and tear that's not typical of the age or mileage of the car, then we'll get that sorted for you. As you can see, it's in really nice condition. I'll show you inside the car and then I'll tell you a few more benefits about this car. So this car's got DAB radio, as you can see in here. You've got built-in satellite navigation as well as traffic updates. You've got your heating controls, so that's dual zone climate control. I'll just turn the engine on for you. So it's dual zone, so it's really nice. You can unsync it and have different temperatures or be the same. Really useful. What's nice about this car as well is it is the 6-speed manual gearbox. It's really smooth, economical. Got your centre lever armrest. Really nice, and then you can also control the roof from here. You've got a glove box on the top of these and a normal glove box too. It's a really nice car. As you can see, the car's done 76,648 miles. You have also got the fender sound on this car, which is really good. So I'll show you the boot now, and you can see the subwoofer and everything like that in the boot. You do also have a spare wheel on this car. See there, you've got your fender subwoofer and also your shelf in here for your wind deflector. That just helps to be a bit more comfortable driving along, stops wind buffeting and noise. And then under the floor you've got your spare wheel. Really nice. So if you're interested in this Volkswagen Beetle Cabriolet, please do let us know. If you have any questions, we'll be really happy to help. We do also have another Beetle Cabriolet in stock. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. We do offer flexible financial options as well as part exchange welcome. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.